Welcome to our tutorial on how to access the UPS Store balance sheet report in Docket. Let's get started. First, sign into your Docket account. Next, navigate to Business Reports from the top menu dropdown. Now, select Management Reports from the ensuing options. Within the Management Reports page, find and click on the Balance Sheet Reports. To tailor the report to your needs, you can customize the parameters by selecting the specific period you want to analyze. Once you generate the report, take the time to review the detailed results. This will provide valuable insights that can help you make informed decisions for your business. To download your report, click on the three-dot menu on the top right and select Export as Excel. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed the balance sheet report and customized it to your requirements. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.